On today's video, we are making this simple, delicious tofu stew. First, we are going to cook our onions. I like to cook it with its own juice. Add oil, garlic and ginger. The spice mixture you see here are cumin, coriander, and turmeric, and 2 large chopped tomatoes. I like to peel the tomatoes, but that's optional. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add tofu. I'm using extra firm tofu. And reduce the heat to low and let it absorb the flavors. Then we go ahead and add the coconut cream or milk to cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. Add salt to your taste. Finish it up with fresh cilantro and jalapeno pepper, which is optional. And it's ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, chapati. It goes very well with injera. We are having it with injera today. It's so delicious. That's all there is to this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.